Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Kia Sorrento, stock number 6542. This ran from the 9th 2017 to the 1st 2020. It has a G6DC 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a G6DC 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right rear tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen satnav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.